Hey guys, I'm Scott, and I hope your day is going well. The Ageless guitar series already has us playing parts of songs, but what if we want to play along with someone else? This approach will take us back to playing notes, this time over the chords of the G major scale, and a great choice for this is the G major pentatonic scale. Now the G major pentatonic scale is just the notes G, A, B, D, and E, and they're going to all sound great when played over the G, C, and D major chords of the G major scale. To hear how this works, I've been playing the G, C, and D major chords in the background. Now I'll add the notes of the G major pentatonic scale over top. We'll just play them in sequence up and down and see how that sounds. Sounded great, right? Now many songs make use of this idea, and it's a great technique for improvising a solo. I hope you'll check out the other parts of this series and let me know in the comments how these are working out for you. I'm Scott, and I'm looking forward to seeing you next time.